Welcome back to day 2 of our 7-day Law of Attraction challenge. I hope you're feeling excited about the journey you're in. Yesterday, we kicked off things with the intention setting. Setting clear, powerful intentions is the first step towards manifesting the life you desire. If you haven't done it already, I recommend go through the day 1 video again and write your intentions and make sure you revisit all these intentions throughout this challenge. They are foundation of everything that comes next. Remember, your intentions are your GPS for life. Okay, so now today we are going to build on that foundation by diving into self-love and confidence, which are very, very effective and which are key to attracting everything that you want. Yes, self-love and confidence. Some of you must be shocked, isn't it? And we are going to do this with a practice called a mirror practice. A simple but powerful technique that helps you rewire your mind and cultivate the self-worth and belief in yourself that you need to manifest your dreams. Most of the times, the people I've worked with in one-to-one sessions, they lack self-esteem, self-confidence and self-worth. If you think, do I really deserve this manifestation? Do I really deserve 1 crore rupees in my bank account? Do I really deserve? So that's the challenge and that's what we need to fix. Okay? The power of self-love and confidence are the secret ingredients of law of attraction. Why? Let me tell you that. Because universe responds to the energy you put out. If you are confident, if you're truly believing in your own worth, if you create space for more of that energy to flow into your life, you are more likely to manifest, faster. It's about believing that you deserve the love, success and happiness you want. And when you send out those confident energies, the universe responds to you by bringing you more of what aligns with it. Isn't it? So, however, many of us struggle with self-doubt or insecurities. That's where the mirror practice comes in. Isn't it? You need to be very, very clear and confident that you deserve those manifestations, all that your intentions are about, all that you want in your life. Okay, so let's use this mirror practice today and you will see amazing results coming in. So this practice helps you shift your internal dialogue, change how you see yourself and build a positive, empowered self-image that will naturally attract positive results into your life. So starting with mirror practice. The mirror practice involves standing in front of a mirror and saying positive affirmations to yourself. Sound simple, isn't it? Right? But it's incredibly powerful. When I did it, I felt very awkward. Because by looking yourself in the eyes and affirming your worth, you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your own value. It will take time. There will be awkward moments. I cried when I did it for the first or second time. But when you look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am confident, I am worthy, I am loved, I am enough, your brain starts to believe it because the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between true and false. And now, I know this might feel awkward or uncomfortable at first, but that's okay. The more you practice, the more natural you will feel about it. You're essentially teaching your mind to accept and embody your true power. Yes. So let me share a quick example. There was one of my clients, she used to struggle with self-doubt. She didn't feel good enough at work or in social settings. But if you look at her social life on Instagram or Facebook, people were admiring her like something. When we spoke, she said, I am committed to the mirror practice every day. Each morning, she looked at herself in the eyes and said, I am worthy of success and love. I believe in my abilities. I am enough just as I am. She kept repeating it for 5 to 10 minutes, start of the day and end of the day. At first, she said, it felt awkward, Gagan. But over time, she noticed a shift. She walked into meetings with more confidence, felt better in social situations, and her self-esteem grew. As her confidence increased, she also started seeing more opportunities coming her way rather than, seeing what was wrong. So this is the power of your mirror practice. Transforming your mindset and attracting the life that you desire. Okay, so tell me in comments, I am committed if you're ready to tap into this day 2 activity. So now it's time for you to try the mirror practice. Once you watch this video, I want you to do these following instructions, okay? Find a mirror, maybe a bathroom mirror, a handheld mirror, or any mirror where you can see yourself clearly. Okay? Stand in front of the mirror and look yourself directly into your own eyes. They say eyes are the communication to soul. So look into your own eyes directly and say 3 positive affirmations aloud, like, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I am confident and capable of achieving my dreams. I am enough just as I am. Or maybe start with small affirmations like I'm loved, I am enough, and I've given some examples in the description box also. So take a moment to really feel the truth of these statements. No, do not just say them. Feel them in your body. Let the words resonate with you. You know, the words have power. Every word that you're saying is creating your reality. So as you do this mirror practice, once you have done this, share one of your affirmations in the group to inspire others also. You know, so keep doing this practice start of the day or end of the day or during the day when you get time, right? Because we're just starting with it. But make sure for next 10 minutes you're not disturbed. Okay? By doing so, you know, by sharing your affirmation in the group, you're not only reinforcing it to yourself, but you're also encouraging everyone else in the group, and also the divine power and universe is also, you know, empowering your affirmations. So remember, the more you practice the mirror practice, the more it will transform your mindset and build your confidence. Self-love is the key to manifesting everything you desire. I have tried hundreds of techniques. I have read thousands of books and articles, but one thing which I truly believe is self-love is a game changer when it comes to your manifestation. By focusing on what's right with you, rather than focusing on what's wrong, you know, you'll shift, you know, your vibration and start attracting more of what you want. We are usually complaining, right? So start focusing on what's good with you. We all have great, amazing personality. We all are unique. We all are magical. So thank you for joining me on day 2. Keep practicing the affirmations in the mirror, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 3, where we will continue to deepen our practice and move closer to our dreams. Until then, stay confident, stay empowered, and remember, you are worthy of everything that you desire.